Welcome back. Today we're going to assemble frame 4, a very large frame that defines the front end of the passenger compartment. In fact, frame 4 is so large that it covers up the strong back leg alignment holes on the frame construction board. So I'll show you how to work around that, and then we'll put a little bit more detail into some of the cross members that we cut and sand by hand. As with frame 3, my holes in the 7-foot 3-inch wide deck beam did not perfectly align to the frame construction board. So I aligned the bottom side components with the dowels to the frame construction board, then clamped and dry fit all of the gussets and components together. I measured to ensure the frame was properly aligned to the frame construction board, and then marked the center lines. I removed all the gussets and replaced the zinc screws with silicon bronze screws. As with each frame, we wet each mating surface with neat epoxy. And then with thickened epoxy. It's a matter of personal preference, but I enjoy regular cottage cheese over this low-fat cottage cheese, so you'll see a change in my mixing container for future videos. After the epoxy cures, I flip the frame over, drill the alignment holes through the keel gusset, again align the frame to the frame construction board, and attach the bulkhead with screws. I measure and cut for two 52-inch long straight edges. When I tried to put the dowels into the frame construction board, I quickly learned that the frame was so large they were covering the strong back leg holes. The solution was to put the strong back legs underneath the frame. While not shown here, I drilled holes through the keel gusset and through the bulkhead so I could again align the frame to the frame construction board. I attached the bulkhead to the strong back legs with 1 1/4 inch zinc screws. On the aft side of frame 4, there are floor battens and risers that should be cut out at this time. I use a track saw to cut 1 3/4 inch strips from the leftover sapele board. From the 3D model, I know that the floor batten should cover the holes in the bulkhead by 1 inch. Therefore, I measure and place the clamps as a guide. I mark the floor batten for cutting and the frame for future alignment. I typically cut these pieces with a handsaw. And then finish by sanding up to the line. With the floor batten dry fit, I mark, cut, and sand the risers. Finally, I attach the floor batten and risers with double stick tape. I'll permanently attach them later in the process. Let's end this video by looking at frames 1 to 4, with frame 4 weighing almost 45 pounds.